been a while since we've done a video. I thought we would do a little ride around in the neighborhood here in the village of Bradford. Today apparently they are having like a neighborhood garage sale, yard sales event. And I'm gonna make a loop around little Gracie Villas right here and see if anybody else has got something going on. But apparently everybody decided to do a yard sale, and everybody's out there on their golf carts. It's a Saturday morning, by the way, and as we ride around in our little neighborhood, yes, we got a little patio villa called the Gracie Villas. We absolutely love this place, adore it. I'd say it's one of the best around. It's small and quaint and it's very cute. People haven't, let the place go and make it look all ridiculous. There's a house right there. It's doing a garage sale. But let's take a look through the neighborhood and see what everybody's doing. See how many houses we can actually find. And we're coming up on one right now. That was our first house that we happened to see. I can't guarantee there's going to be a lot of houses, but it looks like there's going to be a few. We're going to follow where all the golf carts are hanging out at and all the cars. That's going to obviously be your biggest clue. And I hope the video quality comes up pretty good. This is just a random little video I decided to do right quick. People still getting landscaping done. As I ride around the neighborhood, I noticed that the weather is quite nice actually, especially when you just riding about in your golf cart. There's a decent, breeze. It's not cool, it's not hot, rather pleasant. And it's just great day to be out there on your golf cart riding around. Now we are part-timers. We live here, but we work in Georgia, as we like to say. That's just how we like to roll, I guess. And there's a house that's getting a lot of paving work, some landscaping. But right now I'm not seeing a whole lot of houses doing yard sales, but there are a few. But there again, I just got started out. We just got to ride around, see what we find. There's another little house selling some chairs and office furniture, looks like. A bicycle, a woman's bicycle. That'd be quite interesting. I'm gonna come back down this street again. It's been a little while since I've really got to ride around the neighborhood. We haven't been around here in about 2 or 3 weeks, I think, and it's quite nice to see what people have been doing while we've been out and about. I may just go ahead and ride out here to the post office. Yeah, I'm gonna come back around. Well, actually, let's just go this way. Show you this house right here. Doing a lot of beautiful landscaping work. It's been going on for a few weeks or better now. This house here by the same company, the Village Palms, they did quite a jungle back there actually. I love what they did, but for me, I wouldn't have done quite so many plants. That's looking a little busy back there, but as you can see, a lot of these neighbors have done a lot of things. People planted crotons and robelinis, which is basically a pygmy date palm. Let's cut back down this neighborhood. On down this street, see what we got. Of course, I'm not sure how many homes are going to be doing these yard sales, if any. So far, I think I've seen maybe 5 houses, I want to say. Not really sure. But you know, in these new village neighborhoods, it's going to take some time, but let's see. I think we have another house right here. Cutely decorated, very well landscaped. I like that. I'm going to hang a left right here on this street. Look at this interesting landscaping this person has done. At night, it really lights it really, really neat. It's like an oasis. And perhaps you'll get a little look around of our surrounding neighborhood, the neighborhood that surrounds our villas. Let's see what people are doing. You see they're doing the painted driveways. And I didn't mount the camera onto the golf cart. I wanted to be able to swing left to right, pan around a little bit. So this video might be a little different from what we normally would do. And taking a look at all these different colors around the neighborhoods. It's going to be quite interesting to see how they do things in this neighborhood. Different landscaping ideas, all these beautiful colors. Folks, there's just no place like the villages, trust me. People still got a lot of things in their garages and stuff they gotta sift through. Take some time. We highly recommend when you move down here to travel as lightly as possible. Don't bring anything you don't need, because over time you'll pick up what you need and maybe find a space where you could reasonably place it. Here's the front of our villas, the Gracie Villas. Really a cute little area, I like it. And here's that house that we looked again. Look at that painting back in there. Really nice painting. 2 matching pictures that lady had back there. May have to come back and do some more looking. Right now I'm just doing a neighborhood scan. Let's take a look down here as I mosey towards the neighborhood postal station. I got some mail I need to collect, I'm sure. And over here you can see where everybody's kind of collecting, so That's gonna be a good clue. Somebody's got some yard stuff for sale. We're gonna come up on this house right here where they've got some side tables for sale in their home. Very nice, and a stool. Cute. That might be sold, I don't know. Another little house. Selling some items. Actually, there's quite a bit of houses here that are actually doing these yard sales. People out walking around, riding their bikes, checking out what people are selling. Pillows, rugs, some lamps, some other little decorative items. I like checking out these yard sales. You might find something rather interesting. Plus, it gives me a chance to kind of show everybody the neighborhood and how it's progressing as time goes, where, you know, people have been adding their landscaping and stuff like that to it. People are putting their finishing touches. Like this house, for example. Very beautiful. It's amazing what people do and how they decorate their houses. I think we got something down this way. I'm not sure. Yeah, somebody selling a vacuum cleaner and a couple items. I'm not sure how long these people are going to be doing an active yard sale, but as you can see, all the people all sitting around having a good time. Another house, got some items for sale. As we continue to look for more houses, I apologize if I keep getting the windshield in the video. Trying my best not to, but I'm having to hold this thing here. And I might have another house or two. Let me flip around and see what this other house may have had. Oh no, they're not selling anything here. Well, maybe had a few table items. But as I was saying, folks, a lot of these homes are quite nice in the villages. I'm going to cut back down on this perimeter area of the village. There's a lot of the village I hadn't covered, but I didn't want to make it too long of a video showing pretty much the same thing. But I just do love the look of a lot of the neighborhood, how it's all been landscaped and decorated. There's another little place right here. I love the Florida skies. There are always something unique about them. The way the clouds are always white and poofy, even when they're gray. They got a silver lining to them, right? Well, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we got to come down this street as I make my way back. I could go to the northern part of Bradford and different areas like that, but This video was just to give you a sense of, you know, an idea that, you know, there's a lot of participation when the neighborhood does things. It's pretty good turnout. Neighborhood yard sales and garage sales are quite fun, actually. And it was a lot more than what I had actually thought, believe it or not. So if you happen to move to the Villages and decide you want to move to Paradise, well, maybe we can come to one of your yard sales. Have a great day, folks.